Alright class, so today we're going to be diving into the fascinating world of prehistoric cave paintings. These aren't just pretty pictures on a wall. They offer us incredible glimpses into the minds of our early ancestors. We'll be exploring what these paintings can tell us about their lives, beliefs, and even their artistic skills. First, let's talk about the subjects of these paintings. Overwhelmingly, they depict animals, bison, horses, deer, mammoths, creatures that were vital to their survival. Now, it's tempting to think these were simply decorative, but many researchers believe they served a more significant purpose, perhaps related to hunting rituals or ensuring a successful hunt. Some paintings even show animals with spears or arrows in them, further supporting this theory. Next, we'll consider the materials and techniques used. These early artists weren't exactly popping down to the local art supply store, right? They utilized natural pigments, things like charcoal, ochre, and manganese oxide, mixed with binders like animal fat or plant sap. They applied these paints using their fingers, brushes made from animal hair, or even by blowing the pigment through a hollow bone. Imagine the skill involved in creating such detailed images with such basic tools. Finally, let's think about the location of these paintings. They're often found deep within cave systems, in areas that aren't easily accessible. This suggests that these weren't just casual doodles. They were likely created for specific ceremonies or rituals, adding another layer of complexity to their meaning. So, to wrap things up, remember that these paintings are more than just prehistoric art. They are windows into the lives and beliefs of our early ancestors.